In this tutorial, I will show you pencil tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. Pencil tool is located here, which shortcut is N. Okay, so pencil tool, draw and edit path. It will draw, I am drawing it. It will draw and edit path. Now double clicking here, you can see my fidelity is 100% is smooth. So I am keep selecting and I am drawing a path. You can see the path is selected, always keeping selected as selected. Next option, Alter key toggles to smooth tool. If I check this and hold down Alter to make this pencil tool is into a smooth tool. Next, close path when ends are within 15 pixel. I am taking it 20 pixel and make it will be close path. Okay, so I am drawing a path and leave it here. You can see the path closed automatically as the both opening and ending points are within the 20 pixel. Edit selected path within 20 pixel. So I am drawing a path and you can see if I draw another path in here, it will not merge with this layer. But you can see when I draw a path, if this within 20 pixel, it will merge with the previous shapes and create new shape dimensions. Okay, see, you can see that it will automatically add it to the previous shapes. And fill new strokes, it covered the fill option and this is the smooth option. Okay, I have already covered all. So this was for this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.